Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram to your Facebook page. Now, if you wanted to cross-post between Instagram and Facebook, there are certain requirements before we connect the page. The first one is that your Instagram account needs to be a professional account. And the second thing is Facebook, you need to be an admin of that page. Now, on your iPhone, Android, or computer, first just open the Instagram app. Within the Instagram app, tap on your profile at the bottom right. And now you can see I don't have a professional account because it doesn't say professional dashboard. Tap on Edit Profile here, and then tap on Switch to Professional Account. Keep in mind this is completely free and anybody can do this. Tap on Next. And on here, I'm going to turn this on to display on my profile and hit Switch to Professional Account. And by doing so, I can choose Business, or in my case, I'm going to choose Creator. Tap on Next. And now after it has created that, you can tap the X at the top right. Now, you'll be able to see Professional Dashboard indicating I have a professional account and I'm an admin of a Facebook page. Now, tap on Profile at the bottom right and tap on Edit Profile. You'll be able to see new options, and if I scroll down on here, you can see Page, Connect, or Create. Tap on that. Tap on Continue to connect the Facebook page. Tap on Login to Facebook, and tap on Continue. Now, this will pop up with your Facebook pages that you have access to. In my case, this page, Trevor's Treats, and I'm going to tap on Connect. Now, I'll go through the process of connecting it, but it says before you do this, sometimes it has an issue. Additional access is required, and it says go to Meta Business Suite and send a request. So I can always do this, and if you need to go through the process, you can go to the Meta Business Suite, and then essentially it will send that request. Sometimes you need to do this, sometimes you don't need to do this. After you've done that, you can choose to cross-post between Instagram and Facebook. To be able to do that, let's get out of here, and once we're on your profile, at the bottom right, tap on those three lines at the top right. Next, just scroll down until you see the option towards the bottom. If this loads, for whatever reason it's taking a while to load, let's tap on it again. Scroll down and tap on where it says cross posting. You should be able to see around here after you initiate that, you should see a cross-posting option, essentially to be able to share those posts from your Instagram account over to your Facebook page. Look for cross-posting and turn it on. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the one over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.